Good afternoon, student. This is KK Bhatt here from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar. Dear students, you know well that we are going to read the next topic of the tense, that is past indefinite tense. Before this, you have read the complete four part of present tense as present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Today in this sequence I am going to teach you past indefinite tense. You know with that that is the helping verb here. Helping verb is did. It's a very important thing that here the second form of verb has been used in the affirmative sentences. So to learn this particular tense you have to know and learn the second form of verb. We have to learn second form of verb. So dear student, now see the affirmative sentence. What is an affirmative sentence? The structure of affirmative sentence. Structure of affirmative sentence. Look here, subject plus second form of verb plus object. It is clear? Second for subject, second form of verb plus object. It is now see here the second form of verb is compulsory. So try to understand it through the example. Just they wrote a letter. You understand? They wrote a letter. What's here? Wrote. That is the second form of verb. That is the second form of verb. Here there is no means of first singular number or plural number. We have to use second form of verb as affirmative sentence. She went to Lucknow. What do you understand here? Went to. That is the second form of verb. Went to. What do you understand here? Subject plus verb, second form plus subject. That is the structure of affirmative sentence. Now see what is in negative sentence. Negative sentence में हम क्या करते हैं? देखो यहाँ पे negative sentences. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? सब्जेक्ट प्लस we use did not प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द प्लस कंफर्म हियर सब्जेक्ट एंड डिड नॉट बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. बी केयरफुल हियर. अगर आप डिड नॉट लगाते हो तो हमें यहाँ डिड जो होता है वो डू का सेकेंड फॉर्म होता है. ऑलरेडी हम यहाँ पे सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज कर चुके हैं, तो यहाँ पे हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करेंगे, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज नहीं करेंगे. बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसी गलती करते हैं, डिड भी लगाएंगे, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करेंगे. बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. जो इसका निगेटिव का स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो ये होता है कि डिड के साथ नॉट लगाते हो, फिर आप फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल he did not read the Ramayana. He did not read the Ramayana. What do you understand? He did not read the Ramayana. तो अर्थात did not के साथ आपने क्या यूज किया? फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. अंडरस्टैंड? He did not read the Ramayana. ऐसे में इन द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब अगर आप यूज करते हो तो आपसे ये डिड जो होता है ऑलरेडी सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज हुआ. देयर इज नो नीड टू यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. आप देखो यहाँ पर दे, अगर दे यूज करते हो तो दे did not write letters. What do you understand? They did not write letters. In this sequence you understand well. In affirmative sentence we have to use second form of verb. Second form of verb is here, and thereafter object. They wrote a letter. He went to Lucknow. He here is used second form of verb. Now say in the negative sentence. In negative sentence, subject plus did plus not plus verb first part plus object. For example, he did not read the Ramayana. They did not write a letter. I think it is clear. Now we are going to read what is interrogative sentence. Now see here interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Look here, हम देखो इसमें you know in that interrogative sentence are two types. First start with helping verb. जो पहला होता है वो helping verb से शुरू होता है. तो helping verb क्या होता है? Did होता है. तो आप इसको लिखोगे did प्लस सब्जेक्ट लगाओगे प्लस अगर नॉट है तो नॉट यूज करोगे, नॉट नहीं है तो नॉट यूज नहीं करोगे. नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस इसलिए ध्यान दो जब डिड लग जाता है तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हम यूज करते हैं, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज नहीं करते. अगर हम इसको अब एग्जांपल के द्वारा समझो इसको, जैसे दे डिड नॉट गो देयर. They did not go there. What did you say? They did not go there. ऐसे दूसरा एग्जाम्पल आप दे सकते हो. तो दैट इज द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. अब ये क्या करोगे? did को अगर आप यहाँ ले आ देते हो, दैट इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. They did not go there. अब इसको इंट्रोगेटिव बनाना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? did को यहाँ लगा देंगे, ये हो जाएगा did they not go? Did they not? Is clear? See here the first sentence. They did not go there. That is a negative sentence. अब इसको हम इंट्रोगेटिव बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? did को हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे ला देंगे. ये क्या बन जाएगा आपका? Did they not go there? Now see the next example. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको देखना हो तो जैसे मान लो दिया है B. Did he write what did you say? Did he write a letter? That is the interrogative sentence. Did he write a letter? ये तो हो गया मेरा हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट होने वाले. अगर मान लो आपका डबल क्वेश्चन वर्ड अगर आते हैं तो फिर आप क्या करते हो उसके बारे में हम देखते हैं. डबल क्वेश्चन वर्ड फिर क्या आप करते हैं, जिसको आप डबल इंट्रोगेटिव भी बोलते हो. तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर आप देखते हो. सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स को राइट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन वर्ड के बाद हम लिखते हैं डिड. ध्यान दो डिड आपका रहेगा प्लस इसके बाद हम सब्जेक्ट लगाते हैं प्लस नॉट लगाते हैं. उसके बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ प्लस लास्ट इंट्रोगेशन मार्क. That is the structure of question word, date, subject, not, first form of verb plus. Try to understand through the example. अगर एग्जाम्पल से आप कुछ समझना चाह रहे हो तो look here. Why did आप लगा सकते हो. Why did she not learn her? Why did she not learn her lesson? Why did she not learn her lesson? That is the example of double interrogative sentence which we call interrogative sentence. अगर दूसरा आप एक और एग्जाम्पल, सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. When did she come? When did she come? This is the example of interrogative sentence as question word. I think it is clear. So you understand what is the formation of simple present tense, simple past tense, and past continuous tense. See here the structure of affirmative sentence. Subject second form of verb plus object. What is indicative? Subject plus date plus not plus first form of verb plus subject, and at last you learn what is the interrogative sentence. It is clear to all. Now see here. Now the next tense is past continuous tense. I am going to describe past continuous. Now see here. The next past continuous tense. Now we are going to discuss about past continuous tense. Dear students, the helping verb of past continuous tense is was and were. See here the affirmative sentence, the structure of affirmative sentence, subject, was, were, first form of verb plus ing plus object. Clear? Try to understand through the example. इसको example समझने का प्रयास करो. जैसे Ram was going to work. Would you understand the full form of Ram was going to work? See here the next example. अगर they लगाते हैं तो क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ? They were eating their meals. They were eating their food. They were eating their food. What do you understand? The affirmative sentence, subject plus was verb plus first form of verb plus subject. You can understand it by the example. Ram was going to work. Second, they were eating their food. I think it is clear. Now see here. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं नेगेटिव सेंटेंस के बारे में. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में आप क्या लिखोगे? सब्जेक्ट प्लस was or were plus not plus fourth form of verb plus fourth form of verb plus. You understand? Fourth form verb plus object. अर्थात नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में क्या लिखेंगे? सब्जेक्ट, then after was verb, not, fourth form verb में यहाँ से verb plus object. Try to understand through the example. इसको example समझने का प्रयास करो. Look here. As he was not writing. He was not writing. He was not writing. He was not writing. He was not writing and essay. What do you understand? Was not. Clear? Now see here second. We were not playing cricket. We were not playing. Is clear? We were not playing cricket. So I think two example is enough to understand the structure and form of the sentence. Now see here the next is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ क्वेश्चन वर्ड लगा दो प्लस was वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस not plus object. At last, it is clear. So what do you understand? The first is question word, was verb, subject, not, or object. Try to understand through example. अगर example समझते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? जैसे wife was he not, wife was he not taking. Why was he not taking his grain? Why was he not taking his grains? Now try to understand one more. What they coming Were they coming? Were they coming? Were they coming? What do you understand here? This is the past continuous tense. You can see here how affirmative sentence has been made. Then after negative sentence and at last interrogative sentence. If you learn the structure properly and understand the format of this tense, I think you will never do any mistakes. Thanks. Watch my video.